back to my channel. As you can see, I am back and I'm at it again with another video. Happy Wednesday, and it's a short week this week. Well, for me and work, it's a short week. But anyway, happy Wednesday, everybody. It's almost Thanksgiving. I think tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Yes, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So I wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I know there's a lot of these videos, and that's why I'm just going to go through it quickly. I'm not going to do my makeup. As you can see, I already did my makeup. If you guys want a tutorial on this look, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it. If you like these types of videos, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. But yeah, we're doing a Boxycharm. What I got in my Boxycharm this month of November. I didn't get one October because they messed up my shipping and all that jazz, and I'm still dealing with it. However, whatever. Disclosure, I have opened this box and I have used some of the items, but I wanted to still share it with you guys. Alright, let's get into the video. Guys, so as you all know, this is how the box comes. Hold on. Alright guys, as you all know, this is how the box comes. Like I said, I already opened it with this little thingy right here. Just says Boxycharm, and then on the back it says my information, so I'm not going to show you that. But yeah, let's get started. So it comes with a little pamphlet. The theme of this box is a goal digger, as in like I have goals, not like whatever. So here are the list of items. Let's go ahead and check. All right. I know a lot of people like show you guys what they got and then they do a tutorial. I won't be doing any of that. I feel like that's just too much work, but you know, whatever. The first thing in the box was the what is it? Luxie brushes, premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. They're nice and gold. You get 4 of them, and they are the luminous eye set. So this is for your eyes. Let me see. And I have used some of these for my inner corner highlight. I actually used it today for this look that I'm wearing. Some of them are dirty, but they're nice and cute. They're very thin. So these will be going into my collection of a trillion brushes that I already have, and it comes in this little baggie. Alright, the next thing in the box is the Lashaholic Lashes Instagram False Eyelashes. I do not know what that means, but oh, and the brushes retail for $21. And then the Lashaholics is, so it's like a cardboard, and then this is the inside of them. So they're not very big. You guys know I like the extra lashes. This says ready, set, get addicted. I am addicted to lashes. So this will go into my drawer of lashes, which is growing. And those lashes retail for $15. The next item in the box is the Ace Beauty Grandois palette. You guys already know I'm terrible with names, so I don't even try. So it comes in a little sleeve, and this is it. Here we go. Doesn't have a mirror. I really like the packaging, and you might see some scratches in this one because I like dug my finger into it, but it is very pretty. Let me see if I can swatch some of them. We'll swatch this one right here. So, and I think that's a shimmer. Yeah, that's a shimmer. don't know if you can see it. Oh, couldn't. There it is. And then that one was called Jasmine. I have a friend named Jasmine. She's amazing. This one is called, I'm trying to put it in the, that one is that one. This one is called Clove. The next one is this one. No, this one right here. And wow, this is a very nice color. That is that one. So these are actually really nice colors. I'm gonna do Cinnamon, which is this one. It's my pinky. Cinnamon. That's cinnamon right there. Alright, so that was the top row of this palette. Let's go ahead and swatch the bottom row. The next one is this one. I'm not even gonna attempt. We all know I do not attempt to say any of these names. That one is that one. I don't know if you can see it. It's this one. The next one we're going to go into is Rose. I also know a girl named Rose. She's actually really nice. They're very pigmented. I've heard about this brand before. Then we're going to go into Poppy. These are very pigmented. So pigmented right there. And last but not least, we're going to go into Premier Primer Rose. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm assuming it's like a gold. Perfect. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is the colors in this palette. And I will be using it. I did not use this palette for my eyes today, but I will be using it. I heard great things about the brand, so I am excited to try it out. So the palette retails for $25. So it's not bad for what, 8 colors? 8 shades? Yeah, 8 shades. And it is cruelty free for those that are interested in that. And last but not least is the Cover FX glitter drops. Actually, I've been wanting to try these, but they do get expensive. So they do get expensive. They are expensive. So I haven't bought them. But I am happy to have received this one because this is probably the color I would have bought for my skin tone. And this is in shade Nova. So this is that, and it is very nice. And this retails for a hefty $44. So a little bit goes a long way for sure. All right, where is it? So you see that is very blinding. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow. I can sit here all day. Anyway, that is very blinding. Very. Let me see if I added a little bit to my cheeks here. And you guys can see, oh, that's making my actual highlight, my highlight that I already have, even more blinding. By the way, I am wearing the Gerard Cosmetics, the highlighter palette. You know what? I need to learn that name. I cannot. I use it a lot too. One of the palettes. I don't remember. But that is it, guys. Actually, no. Okay, so the last item is the Glitter Starlight Eyeliner. So it's this little guy right here. And it is like a pencil. It's like a pencil. And I just cleaned my hand. That's not it. So, It does have little specks of shimmer, as you can see. Maybe in the camera will pick up, but that's that. Actually works very well. I tried it out in my waterline and it was really nice. So very pigmented. Also, that retails for $5. That was it in the box that I received. If you guys are subscribed to this subscription, this monthly subscription, let me know in the comments below. Maybe you guys got something different. I would love to know. But yeah, guys, I know it was a quick video. It is the holidays, so I don't want you guys hearing me yap about makeup and stuff like that. But make sure you, if you're doing any Black Friday shopping, make sure you go to those brands, websites that you love so much. I know that they're having discounts. Also, Gerard Cosmetics, you guys do know I am an affiliate with them, and they are having a 51% off the entire website for any items you guys might want. So check that out on Black Friday. I think it started yesterday, so I may be wrong, but I think it did. But go check that out. You guys know that I'm wearing their highlighter palette. I am wearing one of their lippies too, in the center of my lips. So check that out. Make sure you check out your favorite brands. I know a lot of brands are having discounts. But anyway, before I start yapping about that, that was it for my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And thank you so much for your support, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye, guys. The set of 4, so, and but I really like the